In every mission, every operation, every response, knowledge is the quiet force that moves everything forward. Yet our digital world is fractured. Systems built generations apart, locked in their own languages, unable to understand one another. People try to bridge the gaps themselves, carrying the burden in silence. The world is moving faster. Threats evolve quicker. Expectations rise higher. And the complexity of our systems grows beyond what any person or any single platform can manage alone. The next decade demands a new kind of intelligence. But imagine if clarity didn't have to be hunted. Imagine if clarity arrived first. This is QURii, pronounced QURii, a new evolution of mission intelligence built not to replace your systems, but to unify them. A platform that understands your environment, your mission, and the meaning behind every piece of information. Think of QURii as the digital nervous system of your entire organization. Every system, every signal, every piece of knowledge, finally connected. QURii begins by connecting everything: legacy systems, cloud tools, databases, archives, sensors, workflows, and unstructured documents. And it does this without forcing them to change. Imagine an analyst who once searched across 12 systems a day. Today, she asks QURii one question. QURii retrieves history from a decades-old repository, merges updates from the cloud, extracts attachments buried in forgotten case files, and interprets the meaning inside years of correspondence. And for the first time, she sees everything, unified into one seamless truth. Systems speak in code. People speak in meaning. QURii bridges the gap. A first responder arrives at an unfamiliar building. The data is scattered: technical codes, inspection logs, structural notes. QURii reads it all and delivers one simple, life-saving message. This structure experienced a fire 8 years ago. Repairs were incomplete. Use caution on the second floor. Clear. Direct. Human. In a mission operations center, a small anomaly appears, too subtle for any single system to notice. But QURii is reading the entire environment. It compares years of patterns, recognizes a familiar signature, and alerts the operator before a failure begins. This is not search. This is not analytics. This is contextual reasoning across your entire world. A procurement officer prepares a mission-critical package. One overlooked requirement could delay an entire operation. QURii quietly compares the package with thousands of past submissions and gently alerts them to what's missing. Not correcting them, guiding them, empowering them. And through it all, the experience is simple. Ask QURii a question, any question, and it draws from every system to deliver one unified answer. A senior leader asks, "What changed since yesterday?" QURii responds, "A logistics risk emerged. A policy update shifts your timeline. And a dependency you rely on is degrading." One question. One answer. One mission picture. At the technical level, QURii is the first vendor-agnostic intelligence layer of its kind. Its patent-pending design adapts to your systems, legacy or modern, without rewriting, migrating, or standardizing data. You are no longer limited by platforms. QURii multiplies their value. For executives, this means faster decisions, reduced risk, preserved knowledge, and modernization without disruption. For technologists, it means architecture without constraint and clarity without compromise. Before QURii, clarity was rare, fragile, and expensive. Systems were isolated. Knowledge was siloed. And insight lived only in the minds of a few. After QURii, every system contributes. Every process aligns. Every person sees the full truth. Clarity becomes the new normal. In government, QURii preserves institutional wisdom, ensuring missions continue with strength, even as people rotate or retire. In mission operations, QURii exposes readiness gaps before they escalate, protecting performance and strengthening resilience. For first responders, QURii is the quiet partner riding with them, bringing clarity in moments when every second matters. In national security, QURii uncovers hidden connections across signals, intelligence, and time, illuminating threats before they surface. In business, QURii unifies customer intelligence, turning fragmented interactions into meaningful understanding. Somewhere tonight, a responder will make the right call, because QURii revealed a risk they couldn't see. Somewhere, an analyst will prevent a crisis, because QURii surfaced the pattern in time. And somewhere, a parent will get home earlier, because the hours once lost to searching have finally been restored. We built QURii because every mission deserves clarity. Every worker deserves insight. And every organization deserves a unified mind. QURii is built for the world ahead, modular, adaptive, and ready for technologies not yet imagined. It grows as your mission grows. It evolves as the world evolves. QURii is guided by its patent-pending design and the endless possibility of what comes next. QURii turns complexity into clarity. And clarity is strength. One layer, one mission, unlimited possibilities. QURii, pronounced QURii, for the people who move the world forward.